Hello once again, everybody. It's 11:14 and 8 seconds on January 3rd. This is mini number 2 for Strange Tales 110. Over here are the 24 filled spots. Basically, Jeff and Barney took like 90% of the spots with little Johnny thrown in there. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to roll the 3 dice. Number is 13. At the end of the 13th roll, whoever comes in first place gets the first 8 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place gets the next 3 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third place will get the next single open spot in the main, filled in order of availability. Best of luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here's the final one, 13. Barney Stars comes in first. Jeff comes in second and third. So Barney gets the first 8. Jeff gets the next 4. Time is 11:15 and 22.